Introducing the Amazing Blind Company, Toowoomba's leading blind cleaning and repairs company, Harristown, Queensland. Everything you need is right here to take over this long-established and successful blind cleaning and repair business, including the eye-catching sign-written van. The Amazing Blind Company has been in the same location since 1993 and is Toowoomba's oldest ultrasonic blind cleaning and repairs business. The business supplies and services new blinds and is well respected for manufacturing its own vertical blinds from locally produced materials, as well as selling blinds sourced mainly from Queensland. The excellent premises include a handy front office with a small display area and parking in the Toowoomba suburb of Harristown. The business is currently run Monday to Friday by the owner with 2 part-time staff. Profits could be boosted by opening at the weekend. All equipment is included in this sale, including the ultrasonic blind cleaning machine. Other equipment and facilities include a wash-down wall and diesel-powered pressure cleaner, drying racks and a sewing room. The battery-operated hoist is used for blind repairs, taking away the need for back-breaking bending. The Perspex wash-down wall includes troughs for soaking blinds and draining water. The business's unique system and expertise and truly amazing results has resulted in an excellent position in the local marketplace. An extensive range of parts and materials are included, including spare parts for most types of blinds manufactured or sold in Toowoomba over the past 30+ years. It's no wonder this company enjoys plenty of repeat and new business, as the results are plain to see in this before and after display. The current owner is retiring due to unforeseen health issues, providing a wonderful opportunity for new owners, with everything included on a walk-in, walk-out basis. Common sense and a friendly personality is all that's needed here, although some experience in the blind industry wouldn't go amiss.